Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker JBL Grip on your iPhone. So usually we can add the widget and check the battery level at the widget. So right now my speaker connected with my phone and as you can see, we have no information in the widget. So for this speaker we cannot use the widget, and the only way to check battery level, you need to use JBL Portable app. So you need to install and set up the application, then add your speaker to the app, and if your speaker connected with the application open for you the main menu, but if you are speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, you can tap at your speaker at the device list. And right here we have battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.